Hello, my name is Mama Mae. I've been in the NFT space for over 2 years now. I bring in about 4 to 5 figures monthly, and I am here today because I want to give you free content on how you could be sitting in my community making money for yourself as well. So today we'll be going over Discord, and with Discord comes with some risks, scams, hacks. So I am here to share you my mistakes so that my losses will become your lessons. And with these lessons, we'll learn how to weed out the bad projects, and together we can continue to select the good projects that will bring us money. So next up, I will show you how to navigate Discord. So what is Discord and what is it used for? It's basically a platform where people who share similar interests can come together and communicate with the team and members of the projects. And projects use Discord as a way of sharing details about their upcoming mint, aka launch. They can share news, roadmap, and the purpose of their project. This is also where you'll find most of your information and you can get a feel on if the project will be good or bad. So let's get started. We are going to create our Discord account. Click on the Discord link below, and this is where you will register. You'll input your email, your display name, the username, which is the username, the name that you want to go by when you start joining these community boards, password, date of birth, just basic info when you create an account. So this is how Discord looks. This is a project called Kampai Pandas. I actually did a call on these a few weeks ago, and I was able to flip this for about $700 off of one NFT. So this is where you can find your information about a certain project. You can click on announcements, and you'll see that the team is constantly updating the community, which is a good sign because you don't want a team that's like updating the community once a week. You want somebody who's there chiming in at least every day. Also, in these Discords, in the projects, you'll find that there's usually a channel called Official Links, and this is where you'll get all your official links. Because so many hacks and scams happen around Web3, just anywhere on the internet in general, you want to make sure that you're clicking and you're using the official links from the projects itself. So you can just check out their website, their team, OpenSea, which is where you would buy their NFTs from, and basically all the official legit links. Over here, you'll sometimes find some Medium white papers, articles, roadmaps regarding the team. Most projects also share who's on the team, and they'll give you a little bit of an explanation so you can delve a little bit deeper on, is this a project I want to buy? Do I see this project lasting at least 1 month from now, 1 year from now? You want to be buying projects that will be lasting and not one that's just here for one day and gone the next. You can also get a feel for the community. You usually will see different channels, threads. One you can see is like general, and this is where a lot of the community members just chit chat amongst one another, and this is where you can feel the vibe of the community. And anytime you utilize Discord, I highly recommend always turning your DMs. DMs are direct messages. So when I first signed up and when I first joined my first Discord, a DM got messaged to me. And let me see, I actually have an example here. So it's saying, hey, check my personal wallet to see if you're eligible, and it's giving you this link. Remember I told you you only click on official links from a legit Discord project. This is from some rando that just messaged me, wanted me to click on this link. And when I click on that link, it's going to hack me. It's going to get access to my wallet. It's going to take funds from me. And I do not want that to happen to you, because when I first started and joined Discord, I instantly lost $600, and that was a bad loss. But like I said, my losses are your lessons. So how do we turn off these DMs? Anytime you join any server, let's go back to Kampai Pandas. This caret right here, you'll click on this, and there's a privacy setting. You'll click on privacy setting, direct messages. It will always be toggled on. You want to turn it off because you do not want to allow direct messages from other members in the server because you don't know who they are. Unless you know them personally or they're your friend, then you can accept messages. But from random strangers, always a no. So that is done. And then next up, I wanted to also show you the Flipping Key Discord. So once you join our community, once you find value in the free courses that we do have a paid version where you're going to get more exclusive content from me and the team. It's where you can discuss with us. We can go over trades. We can help you become a better trader and just help you make more money. So over here, there's an Italian version, there's an English version, and this is my main channel. These are my calls. These are examples of all the projects that I have selected and found for you. This is what makes it easy to make money because I filter out all the bad projects, find the good projects, and I will also teach you my trading strategy, trading strategy on how I do it. You'll also have access to me with the private chat, and then just for kicks, this is my win rate, 89%, average ROI, more than 32%. And Discord is just a way where you can get all information from any projects. See, this is another one, Chromatico Ordinals. You can see the recent announcements that were made. You'll see mint details. So on June 30, this is when this project launched. They give you a price. And then if you go here, almost all servers have an official link thread or a channel. And this is where you'll click into these official links and not be selecting scam links. So that's how you can navigate around Discord.